not yet, Genevieve. But if you do see one, what are you going to call it?
If I saw one, I'd probably name it Babyface.
Why?
Because his skin is as smooth as a baby.
If I saw one, I'd probably name it Branch.
Branch? Why Branch?
Branch, because it likes hanging in a tree. I get it.
And they love our frog pug. Should we give it a name?
Yeah, what about the jump hub?
Or maybe even the hippity hop.
Look, lots of frogs are going to call our frog bog by lots of different names. But most of all, I think they're going to call it home.
Yeah, I think so as well. Oh, there's one.
Maybe we need to build a frog bog so that the frogs will come to us.
Build a frog bog?
What's that?
A frog bog is a wet, marshy area that we can build and keep it nice and moist so that the frogs feel at home.
OK, guys, let's hop to it.
First, we dig a nice big hole, which we're going to place our bog pots into.
Then we fully submerge the pots into the hole and fill the pots with soil.
Now we're going to stick our PVC pipes in the ground. Bit of water jet.
So is this going to be all muddy?
Yep.
Is that how the frogs like it?
Yep.
Next, we'll plant these rushes and sedges in and around the bog to help hide our frogs from predators.
What's coming up? We've got to give the pipes some distance from the plants so they don't grow into and over the pipes.
And these bendy pipe bits.
They're called elbows.
Yeah, the elbows will make sure that nothing else gets in and bothers our frogs.
These branches and this old bit of log provide another place for frogs to be able to come out at night and have a feed from the mulch and from anything else that's moving around in the plant life.
Now for the finishing touch.
Oh,